Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full glam makeup look, and if you're curious to see how I got this makeup look, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my socials, double link down below. First of all, I am going to start with my sunscreen. Today I'm taking my senior picture, which is why I am doing this makeup look on my channel. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my face primer. Smells like bad cookies, like, you know, we're going to use it. Okay, so because I have oily face and because I'm going to wear this makeup almost throughout your day, I'm going to go in next with my setting powder. This is going to be like another video on this channel, but anyways, I'm going to go in with my setting powder. On my chin, basically on the place where you get oily, so I'm just going to apply it. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm going to take my brow brush and I'm just going to really brush up my brows.
Since we last spoke, baby, you were so cold that you drove me crazy. Don't know where to go, lose control, think I need to let it go.
So my bust is looking like now. I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to put under my eyes because I want to brighten up. I'm going to go in with my concealer brush and I'm just going to clean up my mistake. No. Now I'm just going to go underneath my eyes where I get my concealer and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to leave that for a while to let it dry out for a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my foundation. So I'm just spreading out my foundation right now so that when I blend all of it together, it looks natural. I am done blending it out. I am done blending it out. Oh, thank God. So I'm just going to take my Teeth Pride beauty blender. So I'm just going to go underneath my eyes. I'm just going to pat that up and blend it all together. And don't forget your neck also. Okay, now that we're done blending out our concealer and foundation, I'm going to go in with my setting powder. I'm just going to set my face. It is better for you to use like a wet beauty blender because it makes everything look natural. Different highs, but it's the same old fall. Okay, so I'm going to reduce my setting powder a little bit because we cannot be looking like ghosts, right? We cannot be looking like ghosts. So I'm just going to take my white beauty blender and just going to go over it one more time and pat. Please, I kept my setting powder, setting spray. Now I'm going to be doing my contour. On my eyeshadow, I am going to be doing a cut crease. I'm going to go in with this as my transition shade. I'm just going to tap it with this really flexible blending brush. I have applied my transition shade and I'm just going to go in next with my blending brush. And I'm going to go in with the lighter shade of this one. And I'm just going to go underneath where I just get my transition shade. I intend to make a mistake on this part, so.
10 toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me? I don't know. Thirsty, I'm Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know.
My cut crease is not perfect.
I miss that little feeling when I kissed your
I had to do my eyeshadow off camera because it wasn't looking that good. But I think I'll keep it for now. So I'm going to go in with my blush.
think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my brain replaces your face. I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside.
Now I'm going to go in with my liquid highlighter.
So it's alright. Fighting when I don't like dying. Let it go. Yeah, let it go.
So lastly, I'm going to go with my lashes because, well, lashes complete the look. So I am just going to go off camera. I'm going to go with my lashes and I'm going to be right back. And this is the final look. And I think I'm already running late for my senior pictures, but I am just going to quickly go. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys next week. Bye!
Let it go. It's been a while since we last spoke, baby.